Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to turn $0 into $1,000. If you've ever dreamt of financial freedom and success, this is the video for you. I'm here to show you how it's done. No gimmicks, just practical tips and techniques. We all start somewhere. And I began with nothing but a dream and determination. If I can do it, so can you. Here's how. Picture this. You've got $0 in your bank account and you're itching to change your life. But where do you begin? Step 1. Start saving. Even if it's just a few dollars a week, the power of compound interest can turn small savings into big money over time. Step 2. Explore side hustles. Find your passion or skills and monetize them. Whether it's freelancing, selling crafts, or offering services, there are countless opportunities to make money. Step 3. Invest wisely. Learn about the stock market, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Step 4. Real estate can be a game changer. Consider buying property, renting it out, or even flipping homes for profit. Step 5. Network like a pro. Surround yourself with successful people, learn from them, and discover new opportunities. Step 6. Keep learning and upskilling. The more you know, the more you grow. This is an investment in yourself that pays off in the long run. $1 million mark. And now, after years of hard work, smart investments, and dedication, you've hit the $1 million mark. But remember, it's not just about making the money, it's about managing and growing it. Achieving financial freedom is an incredible feeling. You can now live life on your terms, pursue your passions, and secure your future. So, there you have it. The journey from $0 to $1,000. It's possible, and you can do it too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Your success story starts today. Thanks for watching.